This is Al Fix It. Spend the next 5 minutes or so with me. I'll show you how to put this in. We're going to fix this light with a motion activated, hardwired into the house. Let's do it. Alright, so this is the junky old thing that we're going to replace now. And the first thing, of course, is to turn off the power to that. So I'm turning off the switch here. And you could also go to the fuse box and, turn off the whole circuit there. In one way or another, make sure you got your power off. As for me, I'm also going to use a meter after I get this apart before I start touching wires. So let's take this all apart here, and you'll notice when I take the wire, what do they call wire nuts? When I take the wire nut off, I'm just going to stick it right back onto the wire that's sticking out of the wall until I can test that wire. So see how I'm doing that? I just take the wire nut off, stick the wire nut back on that wire so we don't get any shocking experiences. Look at that, just 2 wires on this thing, black and white. That's it. You know this is going to be easy. All right, so let's just get rid of all the old junk. There's a ground wire there as well. Just a bare wire, that's a ground. So black wire, white wire, and a ground. This screw right here fits that old bracket. So I don't even have to change that cross bracket thing. Now, house wiring runs 110, 120 volts or so, and I'm not seeing that kind of voltage in these wires, so now I feel more confident. Now we can just be really careful about this wiring. It's so complicated. The white wire goes to the white wire, and the black wire goes to the black wire. Yeah, this really is that simple. Yeah, just 2 wires and then the ground wire. And the white to the white and the black to the black. That's it. So now I take that bare wire, that's the ground wire. I just bend a little tiny loop in the end of it, and then I screw it into this screw that's on the bracket. So that's what I'm doing there. That's the screw I put the ground wire to. Now we just put this all back together. We just have to push all these wires down inside. And then squish it all back together. Now this light didn't come with a gasket. Some of them do come with a waterproof gasket, and as you can see, where I'm dealing with here is underneath of a carport, so I don't have rain to worry about. This is all going to be dry. But if you're on the side of a house where it's going to get wet, you might want to get a waterproof gasket or some silicone or something to, kind of keep the water out of where the wiring is. So here I'm adjusting. We're just adjusting the, which way these light bulbs are going to face. Now I used the one that had standard light bulb fixtures. You can get these with special LED lights and all that. I like the ones with a standard light bulb fixture because you can get LED lights that have a standard fixture if you want LED lights. If you want this kind of light, whatever kind of light you want, you have more options this way. So that's why I went with this kind. Now, eventually I'll probably put LED lights in there. Right now I kind of like this bug light. Yellow is supposed to make it uninviting for bugs and stuff. So here we go. Ta-da! It works. So there's the control. Here's where you adjust things. Distance, time, all that sort of thing. All right, so you can do this. I know you can because it is really easy. I can do it. I do easy stuff. And I can do it, you can do it. We can all do it. Let's do it. Yay. This is Al Fix It here. If you like these kind of projects around the house, how to do things, how to fix things, tune in. Hit the like button. And, you know, I'm always doing more of these kind of things. So stick with me. Adios, amigos.